Alright, so look, YouTube. We purchased the RV last night. The kids have no idea. We told them that we're going to look at an RV, but we're going to take them to the one that we purchased. So y'all stay tuned. Let's watch their reaction.
They trying to stay on beat.
But they sound like popcorn.
Popcorn, popcorn. Show me our beat. Hey. What's going on back here?
I don't know. But
Somebody parked the camper back here.
What?
Hey.
Shit, let's take it.
You could take it?
Hell yeah, let's take it.
What are you doing?
Let's take it.
I thought
What, you for real?
We gotta be quick. Y'all want to camper now? What you mean?
What are you doing? Oh my gosh. What are you What are you doing?
Y'all want to camper?
No, not that bad. What are you? Oh, you dead ass.
What?
What are you doing?
Get this thing.
What are you doing? Oh, you really?
I gotta make sure they're not in there.
There's somebody parked right there.
Huh?
There's somebody parked right there.
They might think it's ours.
Why would they think it's ours?
They might think it's ours.
Stop before you get us in trouble.
Huh?
You gonna get us in trouble.
You're stealing.
This is stealing.
Huh?
I'm finna call the cops on you.
I ain't going to jail.
Don't you want an RV?
It's daddy.
Don't
Oh,
y'all?
you
The
desperate.
RV ain't that good, bro. Chill.
What you mean it ain't that good?
Drive forward.
This nigga,
Come on, jail, bro. Come on, jail. Let me stop him.
Please. Give me his medicine.
Y'all come and talk some sense to him. Hey, what are you?
hey,
Bruh. Robbie scared. What are you doing? Robbie, come and talk some sense to your daddy.
what's wrong? Robbie, what's wrong?
Robbie say
Robbie, I need help. Robbie, I need help. Come help me, bro. Robbie, help me till we get up out of here, man. Come on, bro. Come on. Thank you, son.
You're not robbing.
Robbie.
Stop it. Yes.
Come on, man. I'm trying to get some help. Come on, come help me. Come help me.
You said we can't steal, remember?
It's your job, remember?
Now he think you supposed to steal everything.
That's your job,
You
remember?
see how people want to put you as an accomplice? Now he finna get you in trouble. Me and now you record, so we don't go to jail with you. But you do your thing
I'm
though.
not gonna go to
Do
jail.
I ain't going to jail. You part of the thief crew too.
Hey, y'all say I wanted a camper, right?
Not like this.
I'm trying to get y'all to help.
Not like this.
What you mean?
Bro, this is somebody
Man,
RV.
look, bro, we can hook up and go fishing.
No,
Bro, don't you want to go fishing? We can go fishing, bro.
You can go fish without an RV, bro.
Bro, we got an RV. We can go fish. Look, hey, check this out. Check this.
Where your coffee at, bro?
I ain't have none.
Where your medicine
You
at,
didn't
bro?
make me any.
When they got the key for it?
Nah, listen, we bought this.
It's ours.
Wait. That's cap, man. That's cap.
This our RV.
No.
Let me get the keys.
Yeah, try to get the keys.
Alright, if you unlock it, then we can leave.
Alright,
No, y'all cap.
we bought this.
Y'all capping.
Alright, why we gotta be captain? You really think he finna fake hook up to somebody?
Yes.
Hey, we been pimp, baby.
Hold on. Wait, what? Wait, what?
Look at that. We got keys, baby. We got keys.
Yep, we spending the day cleaning it out, fixing the couch. We gotta fix the couch up a little bit. Other than that, everything worked. The awning worked. Got lights, speakers.
We in there. We in there. Hold on.
Y'all played that good. Y'all played that good. I got you.
We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. Other than that, that's really the only thing we gotta fix up. It's
Y'all
the
gotta-
sofas.
Yeah, speaker.
Yeah, y'all got a
Yeah.
bunkhouse.
Y'all got a bunkhouse back there?
What?
Yep, that's the slide, so you can't get back there yet. We're gonna have to.
So that's a slide, and it's a slide in y'all room. And it's a slide.
RV.
Nope, it's ours.
Y'all was scared?
Well, I already knew you wasn't gonna actually steal it, but
I should have hooked up and drove the bit around, huh? That's what I should have did.
Robbie was scared for real. Robbie was like, yo.
Y'all want to steal? Let's steal.
Robbie like, yo.
Come on, it ain't that nice.
You said it ain't dang. We thought we did a good job, man. You said it ain't that nice?
He said it ain't even that nice, bro. Don't steal it.
I'm trying to get him to not steal it.
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
I'm trying to talk him out.
Oh. I'm like, dang. Okay. We didn't even get I mean, we looked at it. We just knew that it was a good RV that we could prep up a little bit for when we move in next week.
Get this.
Yep. We're going to wrap all of that up, put some more
Ryan, what are you doing?
material over it.
Eager.
He's trying to see his room.
Is that storage? I didn't know it was a window.
Y'all had us fooled.
Y'all thought we couldn't steal in broad daylight.
Wait, no, I didn't think that you was gonna actually take it. I knew you was playing. I didn't know it was ours though.
Did we do good?
Yes. How you get back there, bro?
We know
This thing's
you.
solid.
We know you.
This thing's solid. No kitchen, baby.
And it started slipping.
This is beyond question.
Clean that out.
Oh, it could be when babe kicked in seasonings. Watch the
We
seasoning.
can put something right here. You can hear the click, but you also want to see the click. You see that silver bar going straight across? You want to make sure you can see that bar. Alright?
I need my sips.
You got some sips money?
Sips.
Huh?
You gotta have his Starbucks hot chocolate.
Oh.
Do his check.
Alright, now, this right here. You see this? This is an emergency valve. So basically what this does is, if the trailer gets disconnected, this is like an emergency brake for the trailer. Alright? So, what you want to do with this,
Make sure you got those just in case you want to back up here.
see this pin? Put it right there like that. Put this pin back through. And then boom. If anything happens where this get disconnected, this is gonna pull. It's gonna pull that, which is gonna trigger all the brakes for the trailer. Alright? Alright. Pin locked in, check. We got our emergency braking system not together.
Oh, Lord.
That's why it's safe to double check. Pull that off. These supposed to be loose. You still gotta get to work. Alright? Alright, now we gotta make sure that's closed and locked. Good job, son. Good job. You learned this something.
Man, now you're going to take care of that inside.
Yeah, they do the inside, we're gonna do the outside.
Oh, what is that?